हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम आपसे बात करने वाले हैं CMI एडमिशन्स 2021 के बारे में। हाउ यू आर गोना अप्लाई इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर ऑनलाइन application deadline, and how you're gonna apply and pay the fees. Your admit card details all are given over here. So you have to go over here in the instructions form and you can see all the information available. So here on the topmost it's written that offline forms are not available. You have to fill your application form online. So these are some details for undergraduate programs. You don't need to choose between anything and the choice is made after admission. So here you can see the application form is the fee of the application is 1000 rupees. For postgraduate, the same details are given and the application fee is given over here. The last day to register yourself is 31st May. So please register yourself before 30th. So here these are the exam centers. As you know, to clear yourself to get admission in the university, you have to give an entrance examination. So these are some exam centers. You can have a look over here. So if you will be applying for multiple programs, how you're gonna apply it? That is written over here. So these are for the application fees. If you're as said earlier, that for if you're applying for B-Science, then you have to pay 1000 rupees, and for the rest you have to pay. Just take it as an example. If you are paying in a single category, the application fees is 1000 rupees. If you're applying in more than one category, then the fees is 1200 rupees. So you'll go down over here. So the admit card would be available on 15th June. There is no photograph or signature required for the admit card. Along with it, I want to add one more thing, that we'll make a new video for admit card when the admit card will be out. That how you're gonna download your admit card. So please subscribe this channel so that we can help you keep updated. So if you have any doubt or queries, you can contact them or send an email to this email ID given over here. So here you can see this is the PG application form. If you wanna apply yourself for PG application, you have to fill over here. If you wanna go for UG, you have to click over here for UG application forms. So here you can see if you are an user, you would have an email ID and password. If you haven't registered yourself once, you'll click over here. You'll enter your email ID and submit. So when you will submit over here, an email will be sent. So this is the email I received. One second. Okay, this is the new notification which I received. I'll click over here. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna log in. Now, as I have got my ID and password, so I want to tell you this because I can't show you my password. That's why I just merged the two videos. So I'll tell you, when you get that verification mail, you'll click on that. From that link, when you're gonna click on that link, you'll get another mail in your email ID. So in that mail, you'll receive your password as well as your application number. You'll fill in your password and application number, and then you'll log in yourself. You'll click over here to fill. Now you can see the registration is not completed yet. I have to update all those information. So first of all, I'll fill up my personal information. So that is my name, my email ID, alternate email ID basically, because the main email ID I have already filled. So if you want, you can fill the email ID. If you don't want, just don't fill it. So the city where you think you are comfortable in giving your examination, so you can click the city. So let's say I'm comfortable over here. Your gender, your category, whichever category you are from. So if other details is necessary, then your address, you can put up any address. So here you have to go on with sector. You'll fill up your city, your state, PIN code, your phone number, any other phone number if you have. So it's, you have to fill in your date, your birth date. You'll update all the information. Now, these are the information which you have filled for now. So now we'll update your socioeconomic background information. You'll click over here. You'll provide your family's income, your size of family residence, that is the size of your family home basically where you are right now. So if your family own any car and all, your family expenditure, your father's highest, education qualification, your mother's highest education qualification, you'll update all this information. Then you'll come with your academic information. You'll fill up your academic information, board, board name, if another. It is not it is not like if you want you can fill this information, if not you can skip it. So this was my year of passing. Oh sorry, I'm sorry. My year of passing in 10. You can fill up any aggregate. I actually don't remember. You can fill up anything. Like of course you are gonna fill your aggregate of all subject marks. So please, because you have to upload all your documents, so don't fill up just like I am doing because I actually don't remember and this is not my application form. So just fill your all the application forms like with the correct details. So here you'll fill your 10th details. So these are final training camp. If you were in any of these Olympiads, if you have given some additional evidence for your aptitude, we'll update all that information. So here you can see these are the academic details you have updated. You will go to home. You can see now your application, your registration information is complete. You have to pay 1,000 rupees as I already told you about. You'll go over here, just check all the details you have mentioned is correct. Just go through this. So you'll go for pay application fees, proceed to gateway. So here if you're gonna pay with credit card, debit card, Paytm, with your ATM pin, internet banking, whichever you're gonna pay it from, you'll just enter all your details and make payment. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So thank you. Hope you have a nice day and all the best for your examination.